This
ma'am.
conference will now be recorded.
Open the Access. Please message if I'm not audible. Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, what we'll do is we will save this file. See, when I closed it, did not ask me for save only. Did you see? That is because we have already saved it. Before I do something, I can see. Is the screen visible or it is stuck? I just saw the message.
Ma'am, it
It's
is
stuck,
visible
ma'am.
now.
Stuck.
It's visible now.
Ignore this left part, okay? Because I've not saved and I want the file. I cannot close them. Okay, now what you should do is go to the data tab, go to get external data. There from access, I saved it in the desktop. Type is database. Open. So it will ask from where, which cell you want to add that particular data. So you can add any of the file telling for that particular data and do OK. See, okay, this was the first file, I believe, no? So automatically it is come here. And which was that from Access. It is not saved on save. I did not put anything in that, correct? Okay. You got to know, no? What is this exactly? For everyone, you got this external data, or you want
Yes,
me to
ma'am.
create again access? You want me to create access again?
Ma'am, I don't have access in my laptop.
Ma'am,
That's
can you
okay. You
code
just see
one?
the step. Sorry. Okay. So access you create from external data, you get them. Then, so it shows you in your, again, if from the workbook you want to take another datas. So I'm importing from, let's see, I don't know what is there in that file. You can use your imported files, I mean your practice files, no? You can use them. So it will show what all is here. Have something and do transform data. So it is complete into a query editor. Query editor is where you can it is nothing but you can it just gives you the editing of your data. Okay, you might have this, you may not have this particular option in yours, but it's nothing new. It is a part of Access in Excel. Okay, usually you have queries in Access, you can find them where you can shorten your datas as you do it in your pivot charts, pivot table, sorry. So that is how you do that in the query options also. So it's a power view as you get that map view, no? So show queries. So I discard. If I had saved that, it would be coming. It would be here in one query that I have transferred from another Excel file to this. From a table only, we create a. So you can see here Access database. It's the name of the table. So it itself created into a different query. See, now it is there in your query. Workbook queries, it is there. So recent sources. what is that? We have used the source. So from book 1 we have used. So as it is a different source, it is showing. Table 1 is not showing because it is in the different thing. Next. So connections, here it is showing what all are the connections with this particular sheet. So book 1 is associated with what all. So to query table, which I did not discard, same it is, but it is converted to query, and database 2, that is the access whatever we created and we put. So here it says these two are the connections with the worksheet, that is the external connections with this particular worksheet. Refresh. Once it refreshes, how does it refresh? In case for this connection you have changed in your access and you've saved, so those will be refreshed. I repeat, this, I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I repeat, here refresh is the refresh of the data. For example, in access you have created, you edit something there and then you refresh, so here also it will get updated. Okay, one second, I have one assignment. Okay, I'll find, I'll send you in the group. Because I see you interestingly do the assignment, so I feel that I should give you more to make your mind a little work and you find some interest in them. Okay, next part. Is this clear? Everybody got your connections? You were able to put your data to Excel,
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least people who have access. Okay. Sort, you already know. Filter, do these two once again. Do these two again. Put the heading sort filter. read the points if you want. Take down any point. Below this, write down the steps how you created Excel, creating of going to run MS Excel, enter, saving the Excel file, then creating a table, then designing a table, then giving the descriptions for the field, then saving it in viewing it in data sheet view, then giving the datas and then save. Then come to the external data, Excel, external data, get external data, click the particular access file and give the connection to the Excel file. Students, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayo, what was the last thing you heard? This I told to take down the points you heard.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, you were telling to take the steps of how we created the access file. We could
that you
hear that.
heard. That you heard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I thought you did not hear that again. Okay. Now you have the connections. The last point, what you can see here is very important. Take that point. Seeing that refresh, you must not think that is the refresh of Excel sheet. Okay, it is the refresh of the data from where you have taken the connection. Okay, so whatever date changes you do in that particular will be added here in Excel, and that refreshes. I mean, whatever update, it will update that old file. Take down that Control Alt F5 also. Done, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sort and filter is already done. Did you do it? Advanced filter needs time. Okay. What I want you to do is, before the next class, copy paste the D sum database functions data to that particular Monday's sheet name. You name the sheet of Monday, correct? That will be 4th, 5th, 6th. And name that sheet as 6th and rename that. Sorry, copy paste it. The database data. Okay. For the advanced filter. How about some questions today? Or do you want me to give time and then ask on Monday? What? No answer means you want me to ask now. I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashwini,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
asked you a question that time.
No, ma'am, you didn't call my name.
Okay. What a function inside another function is called dash?
Ma'am, you're asking in the tabs?
No. A function inside another function is called dash.
Um,
Nested if.